And joining us right now in the studio to break down the Magnolia Rain or Shine series is Sports Desk basketball analyst, the one and only PBA legend, point laureate, Coach Ronnie Magsano. Coach, good morning.
Hi, Dre.
Kamusta ang bakasyon? Siya nakapag-recharge. Ikaw, nakapag-recharge yung bakasyon?
Parang ikaw din.
Coach, tie series na ngayon. Ganda, 2-all. Nauna yung Rain or Shine, 2 games, and then now Magnolia has that bit of momentum. Nakuha na games 3 and 4. And some people actually thought, nung nanalo na yung Rain or Shine 2-0, mukhang matatapos agad tong serye na to. Rain or Shine has Magnolia, mukhang pagod yung Magnolia. But for you, Coach, ano yung talagang nagbago na ba talaga yung complexion ng serye na to now that it's 2-all?
Well, unang-una, there's a difference kung best of 5 ang series or best of 7. If you're down 2-0, and given a team that has won a championship recently, ang team ng Hot Shots, marunong manalo marunong gumawa ng paraan para makabalik sa series. Remember that in Game 3, they were still behind in that game, and Rain or Shine was also shooting the ball well from the 3 ball in the first 2 quarters. Yeah. But in the last 2, ang na-establish dalawang bagay. Yung inside game ni Ian Sanggalang at yung resurgence ni Paul Lee, who's averaging, I believe, just 3.5 points in the last 2 quarters, bumalik. At tinawid nila yung Game 3 by virtue of being aggressive defensively and shutting down the young Turks of Rain or Shine who hurt them in Games 1 and 2. And nung 4th match, nakapahinga na sila. So, iba na yung aggressiveness pagdating sa depensa. Kasi yun naman talaga ang DNA ng Hot Shots. At naibaba na nila yung efficiency ng Rain or Shine sa 3-point line. Na alagaan na rin nila yung bola na dati doon sila tinatakbuhan ng Rain or Shine sa turnover points. And on the flip side, they have established their inside game. Points in the paint, napakataas at nanumbalik na yung tikas ng mga gwardya who are definitely controlling the rebounding battle against the guards ng Rain or Shine.
Now, Rain or Shine, natalo nga Game 3 and 4. What adjustments do they have to make to get back on the winning track here?
Well, sometimes it takes the perspective from the coach to set the right roadmap para sa mga players. Kasi doon naman sumusunod yung mga sundalo nabasa ko, sabi nga ni Coach Caloy, all Magnolia was able to do was to tie the series. So, 3 pa yung natitirang laro. I think that is a good springboard for them. And then composure is going to be very important for Rain or Shine, of course. They're trying to get to the finals. They wanted to impose 3 straight wins laban sa Hot Shots, pero hindi nangyari. Nakatabla na. Ngayon, kung ang focus mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado, like the referee's calls and the other little things, magkakaproblema ka. And I think, when you see Gabe Nord being called for a technical foul, alam mo na medyo may turbulence going on inside.
Yeah, you rarely see that.
Dahil as to painters. And you don't want to implode. You want to win the battle inside the court. Sakitan akong sakitan, banatan akong banatan, pero doon sa loob ng court. At referees will make calls, referees will sometimes miss calls, but it's all about getting to play and going on to the next play and finding your edge. Kasi given talaga yun Wala namang perfecto. Gusto mo talagang patas. Minsan hindi Minsan you are on top of the calls, minsan naman ikaw yung nasa
receiving it.
Receiving it. So kasama yun But I think it's a good 3 games remaining in that series and hindi mo na masabing pag magandang start Kasi hindi pwedeng masama ang start ng Rain or Shine. That is going to be mandatory for them because they had a very slow start in game number 4 and they had to chase down itong Magnolia. Umabol, pero pagdating sa dulo, mahirap din talagang makabalik ng husto.
I'll piggyback on that kasi in Game 4, lamang na yung Magnolia na 21.
Laki.
Muntikan pa sila doon. Anong kailangan naman yung Magnolia, yung adjustments on their part to, be the driver's seat and then continue and then pull away with a win?
I think they've made the adjustments in terms of matchup. Sabi nga natin, nasaktan sila ng mga batang players ng Rain or Shine sa first 2 games Hahanapan mo sa isang series nung katapat Kailangan makatapat ka sa starter, sa second unit na hanapan nila. Yung habol, importante ikaw ang hinahabol, hindi ko yung naghahabol. Hindi mo mape-predict kung lamang ka, kung makakabalik o hindi. You have to be able to have that right mindset na kaya mong sanggahin hanggang dulo. All they needed eventually, if you talk about putting it on simple terms, were the 2 free throws of Gia Halalon to settle the issue. Alam nga naman hindi bumalik Rain or Shine. Experienced coach yan, may James Yap sila. At alam nila na kung makuha nila yung Game 4, iba na yung tema ng series. But they fell short. Ulitin ko, composure, And sometimes just making your free throws will be the margin for
Make
winning
the
that
big
particular
difference,
game.
no?
Yes, ganun kasimple.
Coach Ian Sangalang has been the X factor in the wins of Magnolia. That I think that's given. Sino dapat naman na mag-step up para dito sa Rain or Shine, in your opinion?
I believe the veterans now have to do their share. Yung mga bagong players ang nagpanalo, yung mga bagong players ang gumawa dun sa unang dalawang games. But now, nabura na yun eh. It's all about leadership right now and just making sure that they inspire the rest of the young players that things can still be done. Not by talking, but by playing harder and getting the better of the opponent. Kasi, remember, Rafi Rivas is 41, but Rafi Rivas has been giving Magnolia tremendous numbers in the absence of Mark Pingris. So, oo, nagko-complain, pero naglalaro. So, you just have to find your niche. Ano ba talaga? Shooter ka ba? Defender ka ba? Rebounder ka ba? Because you take a look also at the numbers as guidelines for what happened on the technical side. Kasi meron din kakulangan eh. Nabantayan yung tres pero wala tayong inside presence. Hindi na sila nagtatapon, hindi na tayo nakakatakbo. So ano yung bagay na pwedeng mong gawin to arrest that? And perhaps the experience of these veteran players such as Bo Belga and Gabe Norwood will be able to help out also Coach Calais Garcia in his bid to return the tide in their favor dahil may technical side of things yan eh, na naiintindihan ng mga coaches at ng mga veteranong players. Kasi minsan in the heat of the battle, akala mo talo ka na sa series. Pero pag nahanap mo yung dahilan kung bakit, paano, at kung ano, may kasagutan eh. And that's why coaches and players are solution makers. Hindi mo lang hahanapin yung problema, hahanapin mo yung solusyon.